Yeah.
Okay. To begin with, first and foremost, very good luck to both the teams and the team members. The topic, the motion today is birthdays are not to be celebrated. To speak from the affirmative, the first speaker will be the opener, Toastmaster Sweta from the affirmative team, Bean Splitters. Toastmaster Sweta. Let us give her a big round of applause. Even before that, yeah, I'm so sorry. I have to give you all the timing rules. Timer, are you all right? All set? Yes. The opening speaker will speak for 3 minutes. The rebuttal speaker will speak for 3 minutes. And the summarizer speaker needs to speak for 2 minutes. Okay. They all will have 10 seconds grace, not 30 seconds, 10 seconds grace. Okay. Now, in 10 seconds, if they don't complete in those after that grace period, what you have to do is the Zoom master, which is me, will be muting them, and the rest of you can just start clapping. You can unmute yourself and clap, or just, show claps. So when you show clap, I mean, don't show the emoji over here, the reaction button. You can live show, because I want you all to be open on your videos. Okay. So that's the way to tell them goodbye. We'll see you later. Okay. A very polite way of telling them that. So it's 3, 3, and 2 with 10 seconds grace for everyone. The speakers, before you start, you can please pin Toastmaster Aarti, who's the timer for today.
Yeah.
So let's begin with Toastmaster Sweta, the opener from the affirmative team, Bean Splitters. Birthdays are not to be celebrated. Birthdays are not to be celebrated, Toastmaster Sweta.
Toastmasters and guests, a very good evening to all of you. The motion for today is birthdays are not to be celebrated. My team and I strongly believe in this motion. What is a celebration? It's an action of spending an important event or day. Is birthday an important day to celebrate? What is a birthday? It's age expressed as an integral number of years. Age is just a number, and what is unique about being born? As per UN data studies, there are an average of about 250 babies born every minute. So what is special about it? The birthdays as celebration has many hitches. Whenever one decides to go on a diet after their vacation, there comes a number of inevitable birthdays. That particular month will be forced to eat cake, and there goes the diet out of the window. Next comes to gifting. We, our spouse, relatives, always have to think what to gift our mother, father, in-laws, husband, wife, what out of the box to gift, what different than last year's. For men and women who wants to keep their biological age incognito, birthdays actually shout out loud the secret, and one is forced to behave their age. So that's a good reason to ignore birthday celebrations. This is why my team and I believe birthdays are not to be celebrated. Birthday celebration by celebrity families through extravagant parties, which are creating a social norm with a culture of lavishness and wastefulness, and becoming a hotspot for inflow of drugs. This is just an iceberg. For such volatile celebrations, parents end up spending quite a high from range of $500 to $350,000. As per the studies by NS Strategic Marketing, nowadays birthday celebrations are a result of marketing tactics. So my team and I strongly believe that it's not the years in your life that count, it's the life in years that we live. So we opine that birthdays are not to be celebrated. Thank you, one and all.
Can we have 30 seconds for the judges to mark their ballots? Timer, please notify after 30 seconds. No one is talking, Rebecca. That's why you're not able to hear. Okay, I see that it's 30 seconds, right? Okay, to move on, our next speaker is the opening speaker from the Star Stormers team, Toastmaster Seema. Toastmaster Seema, birthdays are not to be celebrated. Birthdays are not to be celebrated, Toastmaster Seema.
Good evening, everyone. We as a team strongly stand against the notion that birthdays are not to be celebrated. Let me ask you one question. How many of us send our children to school or go to work on 2nd of December? Well, most of us don't, because it is UAE National Day. It commemorates the formal nationalization of 7 Emirates. Birthdays are milestones for nations and for humans and everyone associated with them. Birthday, as the word itself signifies, it is a day on which a person is born, a day of origin, a marking or commemorating the origin, founding or beginning of something new. William Barclay wisely said, there are 2 great days in a person's life, the day on which one is born and the day we discover why. A birth is a beginning of a new life. We human beings are here to fulfill our own unique mission. It is a day for us to pause, reflect, and express our gratitude to our own existence. Every time we celebrate our birthday, we feel blessed, cared, valued, and acknowledged. Even for a nation, it sets as a benchmark for its progress and development. As human beings, we always strive to improve ourselves, to better ourselves. Birthdays serve as a temporal landmark to better ourselves and motivate ourselves. As our birthday is around the corner, our motivation skyrockets. It is a time for us to reflect on what changes we need to make in our lives. Those things from 12 years of comparison, what we did 12 months back to what you're today, and what we want to accomplish next year. A research done by Dr. Jacqueline Woolley on celebrating birthdays. Children whose birthdays were celebrated, they had high self-esteem, strong family bonds, established social relationships, and created positive, long-lasting memories in children. Every time we celebrate the birthday of an elderly one or our dear ones, we are expressing expressing and respecting and paying gratitude to their long years of experience, their love and care and time given. We celebrate Father's Day, we celebrate Mother's Day, we celebrate Friendship Day. So why should we not celebrate birthdays? Our entire lifetime can pass in the blink of an eye, but every new birthday is a chance to give a fresh tribute to what we call life. We as a team strongly stand against the motion that birthdays are not to be celebrated. Thank you.
Seconds silence, please, for the judges to note the ballot. Yes, to move on, next we have from the Star Stormers team, the rebuttal speaker, Toastmaster Nida. Toastmaster Nida, birthdays are not to be celebrated. Birthdays are not to be celebrated, Toastmaster Nida.
Judges, fellow Toastmasters, a very good evening to one and all. We are here as a team to strongly stand against the motion birthdays are not to be celebrated. As my worthy opponent mentioned, the first point, birthday is just another day. Well, I would like to strongly oppose his argument by saying birthday is one of the most crucial things in your life. Whenever you go to fill up any form, they always ask for your birth date. And your birth date will be always shown on your Emirates ID, your passport, and even on your 10th grade board exam, they ask for your birth date. Hence, it is very important and crucial to know when your birth date is and to know how old you are. As for the second point, she mentioned that we always have to think what to gift others. Well, buying gifts is always a choice. It is never an obligation. People buy gifts for their loved ones because they do it out of love, not because it is a burden or a responsibility. Even a simple phone call or a greeting card is considered as a kind gesture for birthdays. And as for the third point that she mentioned about throwing extravagant parties, I would like to strongly disagree that point by saying, in order to celebrate a person's birthday, you don't necessarily have to host a full-fledged party or spend a lot of cash in doing so. A simple dinner with family and friends will do the trick. Remember, celebrating a birthday is not about spending a lot of money or having a big birthday bash. Rather, it's about spending time with your loved ones and looking back on everything you've achieved in the past year. The third point that she mentioned was about marketing tactics. Well, just imagine what would happen to industries that produce balloons and a lot of birthday supplies and all the birthday decorations. They spend millions of dollars on making revenue with this whole birthday concept, with birthday event organizations, and especially during this COVID pandemic. So just imagine to the amount of employees that would be benefiting by this opportunity. So speaking of market tactics, this is a very great marketplace for all the people out there. So hence, therefore, we as a team strongly stand against the motion birthdays are not to be celebrated. Thank you.
30-second silence for the judges to mark the ballots, please. Thank you, Aarti. To move on, now we have our next speaker, the rebuttal speaker from the Beam Splitters, the affirmative team Beam Splitters, Toastmaster Chetna. Toastmaster Chetna, birthdays are not to be celebrated. Birthdays are not to be celebrated, Toastmaster Chetna.
Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and respected judges. My team and I truly do believe birthdays are not to be celebrated. As my friend just mentioned, that we are here to fulfill our mission. And she mentioned the quote of William Barclay. Precisely, I would like to say, William Barclay said, in the time we have, it is surely our duty to do all the good we can, to all the people we can in all the ways. So we are here on a mission. I have taken a word to make a difference in a life, not here to celebrate my birthday. As you are saying, that this is the day to show gratitude of my existence. This is my day. I show my gratitude and my God is here. I do show gratitude to my parents, to my God, that I'm alive and kicking. And I need not to shout out loud and celebrate to show that gratitude. So I do believe there is no need of celebrating that birthday to show my gratitude towards them. As you're talking about the mentality or the motivation goes up around the birthday. My friend, have you ever heard about the term birthday blues? A large number of people, especially if you see the younger generation, they are facing a lot of low feelings and demotivation when their birthday is around the corner. So I feel you need to do check. It is not that it is the way around, in fact. And if you talk about celebrating elderly's birthday, I feel pity that you have to wait for an entire year to celebrate your elderly people's birthday. What about other 364 days? Do you not show respect to them on those days? And if I talk about celebrating kids' birthday, they feel highly esteemed. I do not understand. What about the big number of orphans that we see, and only 1.8% of them are being adopted? Their mere existence is a question to them. Does this not mean their birthdays is not any special day? Kids' high self-esteem, I would say, why not? Why do you want your kids to become those hollow human beings by celebrating just because they are born? Why not celebrate their achievements, their good deeds, which work as a reward for them? Whatever they do good, why not celebrate that and make them do that more as an example of that? Birthdays do serve as a landmark for which I believe there is no celebration required. You definitely need to reflect upon, look back and see how far you have come. As my friend Shweta clearly mentioned, this is just a number. And for people who want to be incognito of their biological age, society puts a lot of pressure for them to behave as per the Kareni number, which again I feel is unjust for them because their mental self feels something else. So
Did Chetna go mute suddenly?
No,
Yes, Chetna, you're mute. Chetna, you're mute.
no,
There's a problem?
no, it says host muted me.
Yeah.
Which means you have lost 3 minutes.
Okay.
Aarti, you're supposed to show the red card.
Yeah, I didn't see that in fact. So I could not, I didn't see the red card
So,
for the grace time.
okay, I think it's done then.
Anyways, thank you.
It's okay. 30 seconds silence, please. Yeah, request the timer to show the timing cards because they will not be concentrating on anything else. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, to move on. Now we have from the against team Star Stormers, the summarizer, Toastmaster Rebecca. Sorry, Raka. Toastmaster Rebecca from the Star Stormers team. Birthdays are not to be celebrated. Birthdays are not to be celebrated, Toastmaster Rebecca.
Good evening, dear Toastmasters. We, as a team, strongly stand against the motion that birthdays are not to be celebrated. As our opening speaker rightly pointed out, birthdays are milestones for nations, humans, and everyone associated with them. As she mentioned, it is a time to express our gratitude for our own existence, where we can express it the whole year, but It is a specific date we can select so that we will not forget in our life. Reflect on those things that need a change so that we can improve in our life. Even the research quoted by our opening speaker proves that children whose birthdays are celebrated have positive growth, which is very good for the society. It is a time to show our love and care and gratitude to another person, especially when we are away from our home. We can be together on that birthday. We cannot be together with the family or our friends every day when we are in a busy schedule. Our opponent speaker has raised a genuine concern that a lot of money is spent, but it is not about the expenditure, but it is the time which is the most valuable gift in this busy world that can be given to our friends or family. And also about finding a gift, it is an individual choice, that not a mandatory. And about marketing, during this COVID era, we know how people become unemployed because of the absence of physical gatherings. So they also will get help during these gatherings. And it is not a number, as the rebuttal has talked. Date of birth is needed wherever you go, and celebrations can be done by contributing to the society, by the children also, by giving something to other people. So changing them from a whole of human being to a child who can contribute to the society. So if these advantages are there, why not celebrate your birthday each year? It is always good to acknowledge that you exist on earth. So once again, I would like to assert the fact that we strongly stand against the motion birthdays are not to be celebrated.
Thank you, Toastmaster Rebecca. 30-second silence for the judges to mark the ballots. We have the last speaker for the day, Toastmaster Raka, coming in from the Beam Splitters. The summarizer speaker, Toastmaster Raka from the Beam Splitters. Toastmaster Raka, birthdays are not to be celebrated. Birthdays are not to be celebrated, Toastmaster Raka.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. We as a team stands for the motion, birthdays are not to be celebrated. My opener speaker has mentioned that since 250 babies are born on every single minute, there is nothing unique to be celebrated. She also put forth the raise of stress level of all the age group due to these celebrations, either on maintaining the diet or for reaching the expectations. She pointed out on the name of celebrations how our younger generations are getting spoiled. $350,000 is not a negligible amount. A common man becoming victims of business lobby. So birthdays are not to be celebrated. My rebuttal speaker has easily convinced our opponent team by requesting them not to wait to do your responsibilities. It reminds us it is not the years in your life that count. It is the life in years that we live. My rebuttal has put forth the fact that how it is unethical towards the orphans. Considering all points raised by our opening speaker and the fact rebutted by our rebutter, I request the House to reject the opponent team and stand for the motion that birthdays are not to be celebrated. Thank you.
30-second silence. I'm sorry, not 30 seconds. We shall have 2 minutes silence here. Timer notify us when it is 2 minutes. Okay. With that, we come to the end of our very first mock debate contest, club contest of Rendezvous. I want you all to unmute and clap for yourselves. I think you all have done a wonderful, fabulous teamwork related job. It all shows in the the kind of collaboration you've had amongst yourselves. Well, I'm not the one who's going to. You'll get more details about it from if you just mute yourself from the evaluators today. Now, if the judges, are you all ready to talk?
Okay.
What
Anita,
I want.
no, I just wanted to say something, Anita. Like, frankly, this is the first time I'm going to mark them. Like, no, I never done this before.
Okay, 1 second. That we can talk. Otherwise, Shobha, what I want to know is
But
first.
I can talk about the points that they've raised, but marking them is a
Second.
bit of a challenge for me. Anyway.
I'll just complete. What I want
Yeah.
from the judges is, because it's a mock contest today, couple of
Okay.
things. One is definitely the marking. Definitely we need the marking
Hmm.
as per your idea. Two is, what are if the speakers are open for it, can we have a candid evaluation of each of you? Yes.
Yes.
If you're okay with
Yes.
it, openly we will do it.
Yes.
I do a candid evaluation.
Yes, please, Anita, go ahead.
So let's have a proper evaluation of the entire session today by both of them. It could be a panel evaluation kind of a thing. Now, but before that, yes, definitely I would want the scores to be out to know which of the 6 speakers, I mean, amongst the 2 speakers, which speaker has performed better is what we need to know. The judges can buy some more time.
No, you want us to pick up between the opener, Shweta Seema, or
Yeah, that's
then
I mean, that's how we would want
Nidha
to.
and Itna. Okay.
Yes, Shiny, are we good to go from your end?
Yeah, I'm good to go.
Yeah, if you could have the scores from your end.
Okay, I have the scores from my end, but before.
In the meantime, one more thing is in the chat, the timer has put in the scores, the timing also, the timer report as well.
Okay, I might have not got that because I just moved from one system to the other. The timer, can you just put it again? Just want to check the time.
Yeah. I've just posted it.
Okay, Shweta's 2:45.